Hello, this is Group 4, and here's our agenda today. And first, let's recap the 6 solutions we had. And finally, we decided to go with the number 3, developing a comprehensive database. And to check the location on the metric, it's in the high impact and high cost region. And based on the solution, we developed a prototype which include 3 main features. First, a centralized database with integrated data source feeding from both municipality and PNP. Second, an efficient data process with AI features. And third, a more structured data used for improving surveillance and patrolling. So we can say that through feeding these database, both parties can get better information and data to achieve the same goal to improve the safety and well-being of the citizens of Suco. And now let's look at the prototype. Just imagine that we're building a database that connects the PNP and the municipality in the Sucre area. And the municipality has video surveillance cameras all over the area, capturing images and videos of people and cars that might look suspicious. They also have an app called Sucre Alert where citizens can report anything unusual. All of this information gets fed into our database. And on the other hand, the PNP has detailed record about citizens and any past crimes and suspicious activities. They will also share this information with our database. So once all the data is combined in the database, AI will come into play to analyze and compare different pieces of information and give us a more complete picture of who or what might be suspicious. With this improved information, the municipality can then use the camera to quickly spot those suspicious people or cars, and then when something is identified, the PNP will be notified right away so they can take action.
Continue with this part of the presentation, we are going to share our facts that we had product of our interviews. In this opportunity, we have the opportunity to interview 5 people. That the first one is Fiorella Briceño Aguilar, that is a student that live here in Santiago de Surco. The second one was Renzo Tupaya Chiusca, that is a software engineer student also that lived here in Santiago de Surco from 5 years ago. The third one is Cesar Augusto Roman Baca. He is a civil engineer that lives in the part of Surquillo, but he works in Santiago de Surco. The fourth is John Boris Valencia Garcia, that is a commercial pilot that also lives from many years ago here in the district of Santiago de Surco. And the fifth one is Paola Choqueneira Gonzalez, that is an economist that lives in Magdalena del Mar, but he has his work building here in the district of Santiago de Surco. So all of them are people that lives here in the district, and also they spend a lot of time here in the district also. Well, as we can see in the presentation, we can distribute the most important points that our interviewers give us to us in the way to improve our prototype that we have in this opportunity. We distribute this feedback in 12 points that also we located in this relevance target canvas according to our perspective or our own criteria, being the most relevant the number 2, 5, and 8, being the number 8 that are related also like the number 5 with the security system of our database, because it's important to ensure the security of our data that we are going to share in this database from the PNP and the other municipalities, and also to standardize the criteria or the format of the information to make more easy the process to implement this new information that we are going to recollect in our data system. Thank you.
So now I can implement the feedback from my colleague Angelo to the new process. This is the detailed explanation, but I can show it to you in the process diagram. So first, we want to ensure that the database is continuously updated to maintain efficient data recognition and pattern analysis. The interviewees mentioned the implementation of advanced AI and machine learning algorithm to recognize criminal behaviors, patterns, and potential threats as well. The red ones in general are the updated version, what we integrated now. So security, we want to develop a robust cybersecurity framework to safeguard this database against cyber attacks and hacking attempts. This is in several steps of the process, as you can see in red. And for PNP integration and data sharing, we want to extend this integration to other municipalities in Lima, creating a network of interconnected databases that allow for a comprehensive security approach across multiple jurisdictions.